For decades, real estate has been a game for the few, expensive, complicated, and out of reach. To invest in a property, you needed thousands and months of hassle. So we asked ourselves, what if you could own high-yield real estate properties not by taking out a loan or investing in a fund, but with as little as €5,000 and a few clicks on your phone? We wanted to make property ownership accessible to everyone, everywhere. And that's what we did. We're proud to introduce AireVest, the platform where you can own shares of real estate properties and get real ownership. The best part? You earn capital appreciation and regular dividends without dealing with legal paperwork, acquisition process, or management. Here's how it works. Browse vetted, professionally appraised real estate properties so you know exactly what you're investing in. Get access to winning real estate strategies, depending on your risk appetite and investment criteria. Next, reserve your share, which you can do with a click of a button. Once funding is complete, our professional team handles the property acquisition, management, and strategy execution. Invest in 1, 2, or more properties to diversify your portfolio. With built-in liquidity, when the time is right, you can resell just your share. It's time to open the doors of property investing to everyone. Because owning real estate is the path to financial freedom. Join as an early investor today and get 0% commission for limited time.